No more steak, pepperoni pizza, fried chicken. It's a meatless movement. Veganism is taking root and it's growing.
A vegan is someone who doesn't consume any food that came from any kind of an animal, whether we're talking about meat or even eggs, milk, or other products that came from an animal that didn't actually kill the animal.
Of course, that means no more cheese, yogurt, and there's a gaping hole in a vegan diet that has to be filled: protein.
Vegans get most of their protein from beans, nuts or seeds, grains, and even vegetables.
When you go to the store, you may notice that there are more vegan-friendly foods available to fill your pantry with.
Currently, about 1% of all Americans consider themselves vegan, and almost 10% consider themselves vegetarian. As this population is growing, more and more products have come on the market to make eating vegetarian and vegan a lot easier and less expensive.
So why the sudden spurt in meat-free eaters?
Some folks choose to live a vegan lifestyle to benefit the animals or for animal welfare. Others choose to do it for personal health, maybe weight loss, reducing cholesterol, or improving their overall heart health.
Macon reminds those interested in veganism to be prudent before taking the plunge, and that may mean purchasing some pills.
Vegan diets can be low in many essential nutrients like B12, zinc, iron, calcium, and other nutrients that we tend to get primarily from animal foods. So when you're constructing a vegan diet for your family, you do want to be careful to include other sources of those nutrients or supplement if necessary.
An easy way to inch towards veganism and promote overall health in your home is eating vegan a few days a week. Sip soy milk in the morning. Put tofu in your salad instead of chicken breast, or use only beans in a pot of chili. And when shopping, put produce at the top of your list.
Really, a vegan lifestyle is a plant-based lifestyle. So if you remember to make half of your plate fruits and vegetables every time you eat, you're going to get more variety into your diet that way. You'll get some protein from those vegetables themselves, and you'll help to reduce the cost.
And that's the goal on this meatless diet on a dime. I'm Michelle Arnold reporting.